minutes.
12 minutes. Yeah, then your turn. Put and close. And then you can start that one because we need to wait 10 to 12 minutes. The legendary Paraffin Lady from Four Seasons. Yeah. Now Alwasen. Now it's 2, so it will be ready 14, 1:14. Okay? Close. And where you will put?
We will keep it there.
Side of your client. So that they will feel the aroma therapy.
Check timing, Mama. Check timing.
Now it's
10 to 12 minutes.
You see the smell?
Yeah.
It's good. It's relaxing, especially in your
In your room. The massage.
Especially in your room.
In the massage room.
It's more
Yeah, it smells coming for client. Yeah. It smell coming for client. Nice. Yeah.
Sasaktan ka ba?
I like the smell.
Sasaktan ka ba?
Model.
Sakit talaga ng paa ko.
Kaya
gusto ko.
But at least I bring one hand and one. Now, for the preparation of paraffin, when you will start to soak, how many towels do you need to prepare?
2.
Sure.
1 feet, one feet, one when we do cover and
So,
keep it, and another this that I put her then up.
Do you use towel or no with the magnesium?
No.
With the heating?
Because very hot. This sometimes telling very hot, so I put in the towel up.
Yeah, so you need 3 towels.
I put like this, one here, and up one, and this bag is up for them.
That's good also. What she is doing is good because you don't need to throw this after.
Yeah, this one very nice.
If client has back pain,
we
can
will
put
back pain.
So what technique she is doing, it gives extra, satisfaction from client. So it's luxurious, no?
Yes, sometimes client when this hot not here, so they can relax because back sometimes have pain, no? So
If the client they know already, they asking also. Can I put this one?
Where's the heating pouch? They will ask. Where's the heating pouch? I want to put here. Because almost all luxury salon in UAE are using, so client are
people
aware.
like this one.
So while waiting again, what is the
Yan ang
benefit of
masakit.
paraffin?
Kailangan magbawas ng timbang ko.
What are the
Nadagdag na naman
benefits?
ako.
Kasi to, sa timbang.
Anti-aging, hydrogeating,
Softness,
Anti-aging, blood circulation,
Arthritic. Luxury skincare.
skin, silky, we can make more advertisement.
even it's nothing there.
Oh, very nice.
Nagbigay ba siya ng ng salabas eh?
Ha?
Sir?
Yung powder, hindi ka binigyan dito. Actually, inask ko yun. Kaso, sabi niya, ito daw muna yung...
Pero meron ng delivery nun.
Gusto niya ito muna i-focus.
Naglalabas sila sa dila.
Pero ito ata focus.
Sayang yung andito na-expired.
Hindi, meron na doon bagay. Take photo. You share to your group.
I will see Google what she tell me. Yeah, send me. Look in the Google.
Diba, kaya nga,